Good. And we're using the Shark Bite Max, the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. These ones are going to connect to the 1/2 inch piping, but also screw right in. Because if you see, when we first got the house, it went to the gray piping. It means you know the house is pretty old. It's going to have this copper fitting around all the way down to another Shark Bite. But these right here, the double male going in, so we're getting rid of all that. This better. The chain locks on. Might grab these. There we go. We're going to try to keep it in one piece. I feel like we can get a little tighter. Like I said, these are two different sides. Alright, let's get the other female. So I'll snap right on there, go down. Let's do a little bit more. Yeah, the wife's brand new washer and dry. Keep it turned a little bit, hold that down there, tighten it, hold it, and then just bring that around, which will give you that nice firm fit. Coming off of this, because these right here were a no-go. And then these will pop off, and keep those for another time because they don't look very old. So, and then also up here another brass fitting. So, and as you see, we already cut these two pipes, replaced the drywall and the insulation. But we're going to go ahead and use the 1/2 inch straight coupling Shark Bites. We put it over it like so, and then we'll push that down. My hand's blocking it, but grip on it. Make sure you get a good. This one's a little tougher because of less room. There it goes. All right. Now we have the two connections right there, and those will go up, and we'll connect the next piece. Just marking off inches. You probably still have to cut through here. Mark it at 20. Alright, too. On side. So, you should always have these for cutting. So you get. Well, we'll go right on. As I just lost it. The line. Just pop it open. Get ready for the next one. Make sure you guys always put blue with red and red with blue, so you confuse the hell out of your wife when she's got to do it instead of you. JK, guys, make sure you always color coordinate them. Because again, we have the grays. So, but we're improving. So as I just stated, make sure you do it the right side. My cold is this far tough one, and then my hot is gonna be this one over here, just so we don't actually mess up like we said we were going to joke around and do. So let's go ahead and run it up. I'm gonna come back down. And the same thing, just kind of hold it tightly, get both ends, push it firmly in there like so. And there you go. There's the cold. Rinse and repeat. Do it for the hot. Come on up, feed it up in through there. Feed it down through, hold both ends, push down until you know you got a nice firm bite. There we go. Now we have to get this cover back in, and then we'll connect these up through it. I'm not gonna fully get it in there to show you, but I'm gonna trim this up a little bit to make it easier. Don't judge me off of the tools I have here. I don't condone these guys. I'm a Lowe's guy, but we don't have that in my town right now. So until then, we gotta utilize with what we have. Not gonna make too much. We're just gonna kind of give it a little bit more of a clean bevel around it. So when we insert it and pull it off, it's not so tough. All right, again, I had to use 2 hands, but we got them connected up in. We pushed them tight. Let's plug it on. Let's hook it all back up. Go turn the main water on and wait for leaks. We shouldn't, but I like to use my C's, the confidence. We're gonna go ahead and just put these on in now and screw the cover in. All the way down, new plumbing, going down to the existing. And when connecting these back up, I know we're doing plumbing, not talking about washer. Make sure cold right there goes to the red and the hot goes to the blue, guys. Otherwise, it'll be mixed up. JK. So we got everything hooked up, and then we will do it. Otherwise, we'll be breaking that and having another leak. But the main water is not on yet, so we'll see. Okay, main water is on. I don't feel, but I gotta climb back here again because I want to check those couplings. I don't feel any leakage. I'm reaching up in there. That should be good. Everything is dry. We can worry about drywall, insulation, and then put this back on and be done.